Welcome to Toyota's world of advanced manufacturing. You are about to get a behind-the-scenes look at the processes assembling the high-quality vehicles Toyota customers know and trust. The first stop in the vehicle production process is in stamping. Huge coils of steel are delivered every day, then cut into sheets and stamped into the parts that make up the car body, such as hoods, fenders, and doors. Sparks fly as the body begins to take shape in the body weld shop. After the parts of the body are stamped, robots and team members work collaboratively to create the shell body. The quality of the laser welds is confirmed by ultrasound machines. After body weld, it's time for the vehicle to get its personality in the paint shop. Each vehicle spends up to 12 hours here as team members and robots work collaboratively to apply protective coating, sealant primer, paint, and clear coat. From paint, every Toyota vehicle moves to what most people think of when picturing auto manufacturing: assembly. Thousands of parts are assembled to complete the vehicle, instrument panels and seats, to the external parts like the windshield and the doors. This is where the vehicle all comes together. In fact, assembly is the largest production area with the greatest number of dedicated employees of each vehicle plant. Toyota is known worldwide for quality vehicles. Our team members take pride in being an important part of that reputation. As vehicles head down the brightly lit final line, team members meticulously examine every inch of the vehicle with both their eyes and their hands to make sure it meets Toyota's exacting standards. With a flash of the lights and a honk of the horn, a new vehicle drives off the line.